channel Target Technology. My name is Asif Khan, and as we know, we are doing PLC training, and in the last video we have already discussed about Mitsubishi PLC wiring, and today we are going to start our addressing of PLC and how to make a program in software. So let's start our today's video. So PLC addressing, Mitsubishi addressing, input address. Basically, input address comes in X form. So X0, X1, X2, dash 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 up to X7. Because we are always talk about the octal programming, then after the X7, it comes in X10, X11, X12 dash dash dash. Okay, this is the input address. Output address for Mitsubishi programming, it comes in Y form, means Y0, Y1, Y2 dash 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 Y7, after that Y10, Y11, Y12 and so on. So this is the output addressing. Shortcut keys. Shortcut keys के लिए basically we always use LD for NO and LDI for NC. Okay, so we always use L type. We always type like LD space X0, and once we enter, so you will get the NO switch of X0. If we write LDI or if we type LDI space X1, enter, so you will get NC switch of X1. Similarly, for output, OUT for output, means you will type OUT out space Y1, enter, so you will get output coil of Y1. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now come to the timer and counter address. Now timer address, we always type OUT space T1, that is timer number, and space timer value K100 and enter, so you will get the timer. Like K100 means 10 seconds. According to this, you will use timer value. And counter, so for counter you will type OUT out space counter number C1, C2, C3, C4 and space counter value K10 and enter. So this is the address of Mitsubishi PLC, and basically the number of input and number of output, number of timers, number of counter basically different depend on the PLC model. I hope it's clear. So let's start working on software, and software name of Mitsubishi, that is GX Developer. We are going to working on GX Developer. So let's start PLC programming. This is our software GX Developer, this one. So double click on this. Yes, software will be open. So here is Melsoft series GX Developer. Now we have to go for opening a new project. So click on project, new project. So this interface you will get it. Here is PLC series. So which type of series we are using? I'm using FX series. So I will click on this. If you are going to another one, so you can select according to yourself. Now I'm going to I'm using FX1S PLC. So I will select this one, and ladder type programming we are going to use, and the rest are default. So click on OK button. So you will get this interface on your screen. So let's understand the icons. Here is open contact, that is ANO. Open branch contact, that is parallel for the holding purpose. Close contact, NC. Close branch contact, coil for the output purpose. And application instruction for the timer, for the counter purpose, for other instructions. Horizontal line, vertical line, delete horizontal line, delete vertical line, rising pulse, falling pulse, rising branch pulse, falling branch pulse. And this is our simulator mode. Without, if we don't have PLC, so, and we are going to test our program, so we have to install like simulator mode in our PLC. So let's make a little program. So we have to use NO contact. Click on NO and give addressing F0. Now use NC contact, addressing X1. Now we have to take output Y0. Click on coil and address Y1. And for the holding purpose, take NO, that is address of Y1, and we have to join this vertical line. So go to the vertical line. This is your vertical line. Now now we have to convert this program to the machine language. So we will use F4, and we have to test this program. So we will go with simulator mode. So this program is going to convert and coming into run mode. So it's taking time. Now the program is completely in running position. So now we can test. Select the switch, right click, and here is test device. Click on test device. Now force on. So this is our push button. This is our push button. So force on, push button will be NC, and this will open start Y1 and force off. So that means if we use push button, press push button, output will be on and hold here. So it is continuously on. Now we will stop it. So we will press X1. So test. I am going to press X1. So force on. So press, output will be off. Force off means we release, press button. I hope it's clear to all. So in the next class we will discuss about the timer program and live with our PLC panel. So if you understand the video, please like, comment on my video and share as much as possible with your friends, and subscribe my channel for latest update. Thank you so much.